A photo is worth 1,000 words. I will show you good practice using photos in passive fire install logging. We'll skip over the fields and floor plan used to record the basic data and skip to the photos before you start work. These show that the surface is clean and clear and the annular gap sized as per the manufacturer's instructions for the system you're about to install. If the surface needs to be cleaned and prepped, then these photos show the results. These photos and the before photos have saved installers and trades a lot of time and money and avoids arguments using evidence. Well worth taking. Build photos are used to show that the system manufacturer's instructions were followed. Have you added a PEF rod into an annular gap? Take a photo. Added mastic? Take a photo. Added fire wrap? Take a photo. By documenting all the hidden steps in the system, you avoid arguments, destructive testing, and a lot of time, money, and aggravation. Finally, a close-up of the sticker, and only the sticker, then a stand-back context photo. This photo with the annotated floor plan helps maintenance people find this installation years later. A simple system, for example, would only require 3 photos. Before you start work, the label when you finished work, and the context, and you're done.